Hi, this is Office Genius. Do you want to format your reference in APA style? Let me show you a quick way to do that. Let's get started. So you can see I'm already in my Word document and then I have my references here. So first off, what we are going to do now is to select the whole reference. So I'm going to use the key combination Ctrl+A. Now, paragraph group. Click on this small arrow down here. And then in the indentation section, click on this arrow here and then select hanging. Click OK. Now, we have to do one more thing to complete the APA referencing. That is sorting it alphabetical order. Sorting it in alphabetical order. So to do that, let's click on this icon, this A to Z icon here, and select ascending. Click OK. And that's it. You have your references formatted in APA style. Let's give it a heading. References. And that is all for the tutorial. If this helped you, make sure you like and then you subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you.